Today we're reviewing the Thrive Journal. Now I did order this directly from Thrive, and I believe that's the only way to do it. Anyways, it's not a planner, it's not a notebook, it's a journal. So let's take a look inside and see what you get and what exactly they mean by journal. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now, the Thrive Journal was, I will tell you the exact amount, it was $29.95 plus shipping, so it came out to about $34. Now, this did take an extremely long time to get here. I don't know what their fulfillment process is, but it took about a month. So if you order one today, it will not be here tomorrow, which I guess maybe I'm just spoiled because I have I have Amazon Prime, and so I get everything like instantly. But let's go ahead, just take a look inside and see what you get. All right, so it came in that box that you saw me holding, and honestly, I accidentally threw it away before I did this flip through, but you have a sort of cloth around a piece of cardboard, and you get an elastic, yellow elastic string on the back, and over here, I think this is, there we go, title page, Thrive, created in Fayetteville, Arkansas. You don't have to go it alone. Partner, finding a partner who shares your goals doesn't just make you more effective, it makes the journey more rewarding and fun. I guess, I mean, if you want an accountability partner, some of us, maybe we want to keep our goals personal. New beginnings from Eric from the Thrive Journal. Don't worry, you got this. How do you feel about your fitness, nutrition, stress? And then a sample goals page. And then why these goals are meaningful. And then sample reflection, and then we have sample weekly goals. I love it when people put examples inside of their planner, sample daily page, the date, and now we go into blank pages. So it looks like this is your goals pages that we just saw, 2-page spread. You get a 2-page undated monthly planner and a month 2, 3, and so this must be a 3-month undated planner. You got weekly goals and healthy habits. What is your priority theme for the week? Who is my motivation? Reward when I achieve these goals. Meal plans, grocery list, recipe resources, gratitude, affirmation, my food, which is odd because you just had your food over here, but I guess you can record it if you didn't, I guess, eat what you would plan to eat. Exercise, I guess just 3 exercises a week. And then this repeats. Today I'm grateful for, I'm kidding. This is a daily. Today I am grateful for, they want you to do 3 exercises per day. I only exercise once per day, but maybe he means 3 sets. I have no idea. That is kind of odd. I wonder if this person exercises. Today I feel any of these, and then a blank one. So this is basically just a page Xeroxed over and over again. And I know I said Xerox. I know it should be photocopy. And then you have your reflection, a meal plan again, and then you have this. So basically, we have week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks. So same page, just Xeroxed over again for each week. I don't know how you feel about these. I'm not a big fan of those. But yeah, that's what's inside. So what did you think? If I'm being totally honest, I would give this a huge thumbs down, only because it's kind of like the Mel Robbins 5-second planner, where it's basically a couple sheets that have been photocopied over and over and over again. And to me, that's not really a journal or a planner. It's just kind of something that should have been given out as a free PDF. Versus packaging it up into a notebook. And also it took forever to get here. So that was also a big negative for me as well. But let me know in the comments what you think. I could be totally off base. Maybe people love getting the same page over and over again. And that's something maybe for repetition or to help you with consistency that you need to get. That's my cat in the background. He's pushing his little food plate around because he's trying to tell me he's hungry. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.